Honda Car India has stopped the production of the Brio hatchback. The Brio was the company's entry-level hatchback, and though the company had brought in a facelift of the car in 2016, sales clearly didn't pick up. Rajesh Goyal, Senior Vice President and Director Sales and Marketing, confirmed this development. He also went on to state that there will be no replacement for the hatchback in India and the Amaze will replace the company's entry-level offering. The Honda Brio was launched in India in September 2011 and till date has sold 97,000 units in the country. It's been around 5 months since the launch of the Mahindra Marazzo MPV and the company has already received over 19,000 bookings for the car. The numbers were shared by Pawan Goenka, Managing Director, Mahindra & Mahindra, on the sidelines of the company's Q3 financial result announcement. Mahindra is currently selling an average of 3,500 units of the Marazzo a month and currently commands a waiting period of up to 4 weeks. In fact, the company has retailed over 15,000 units so far. The Marazzo comes with a host of features and some are even segment first. It's also the first MPV in India to receive a 4-star safety rating from Global NCAP. Marazzo's success just shows how well the company's next-gen models have been received in the country. The new generation BMW S1000RR was showcased at the 2018 EICMA motorcycle show, and now it's been confirmed for India as well. BMW Motorrad India has already started teasing the motorcycle on its social media handles. We expect the motorcycle to be launched in India in the next couple of months or even lesser. In terms of design, the biggest change is the new front end, which uses a new fairing and twin headlamp cluster with LEDs and daytime running lights. The S1000RR gets a brand new 998cc inline-4 motor which makes 204 brake horsepower and 83 Nm of peak torque, which is an increase of 8 brake horsepower over the outgoing engine's output. It also gets a new 6.5-inch TFT instrument console, a bi-directional quick shifter and cruise control. BMW will also offer an M Race package which has carbon fiber wheels, race livery and more.
So if you love our videos, you've got to give us more power to bring you even more, and to do that, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button.